Hey there, did you know that cryptocurrency mining has exploded in popularity, with more people than ever jumping in to try and cash in on this digital gold rush? That's right. In 2024, it's not just the pros who are making bank, there are plenty of opportunities for beginners too. Stick around, and I'll show you how to get started. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency mining? In simple terms, it's the process of validating transactions on the blockchain and, in return, earning cryptocurrency as a reward. It's super important for the whole digital currency ecosystem because it keeps everything running smoothly and securely. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to start mining cryptocurrency in 2024. You won't want to miss this. Now, let's talk about the common misconceptions and challenges that beginners face when it comes to mining. First off, a lot of folks think you need to be a tech genius just to get started. But the truth is, while some technical knowledge helps, it's not a deal breaker. Another big hurdle? The cost of equipment. Mining rigs can get really pricey, and many beginners worry about whether they'll see a return on their investment. Plus, there are so many options out there that it can be overwhelming to figure out what you actually need. But don't worry, I'll guide you through all of this step by step. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty of mining cryptocurrency, shall we? First, you need to choose the right hardware. Depending on what coin you want to mine, you might need an ASIC miner or a powerful GPU setup. Once you've got your gear, it's time to select mining software. There are tons of options available, so do some research to find the one that fits your needs best. Now, here's a biggie: should you mine solo or join a mining pool? Solo mining means you're going it alone, which can be tough and time-consuming. On the flip side, mining pools allow you to join forces with other miners, sharing resources and rewards, which can be a great way to increase your chances of earning crypto. It's all about finding the right balance that works for you. Now, here's the most crucial insight for beginners: staying updated with market trends is key. The world of cryptocurrency is always changing, and understanding market fluctuations can help you make informed decisions about when to mine or even when to hold your coins. Plus, don't forget to calculate potential profitability. There are tools available online that can help you crunch the numbers and see if mining is worth your time and investment. This knowledge could make all the difference in your mining journey. To wrap things up, we've covered a lot today. We talked about the basics of cryptocurrency mining, the challenges beginners face, and the step-by-step process to get started. Remember, with the right hardware, software, and a good understanding of market trends, you can tap into the potential of cryptocurrency mining in 2024. It's an exciting time to dive in. Now, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts or any questions you might have about cryptocurrency mining. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other videos on cryptocurrency topics, where we dive even deeper into this fascinating world. Thanks for watching, and happy mining!